Hey guys, good morning. Actually, technically good afternoon. It is Monday and it's Vlogmas day 8. Is it 8? I don't even know what day it is. Anyway, it's Vlogmas still, and I rushed out of the house. I was getting ready and then I rushed out of the house to meet up with Natalie at CosmoProf because she is going to be dyeing my hair tomorrow, which I need to remember to vlog. I can't believe I forgot to vlog in CosmoProf. You guys, I don't know what it is, but like, especially when I'm in a rush, like the last thing I think of is to take out my camera and start recording. And it still has yet to become a habit for me, and it's Vlogmas day 8, I think. And I apologize, but I'll show you guys what we got, like the supplies that we got. And yeah, I'll definitely vlog tomorrow when we actually dye my hair because I need my hair done for grand opening. Grand opening is this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and it's gonna be crazy. All right, you guys, really quick, I just got back from CosmoProf with Natalie. Again, I forgot to vlog it because it was like a last minute meetup to rush out, and I'll show you guys what she picked out for me. So she has her license, obviously. You can only have a license when you go to CosmoProf. So she has her license, and I wanted to get my hair dyed, so she said, you know, she would do it. So we picked up the Paul Mitchell 10 volume cream developer. I'm not a hairstylist, so I don't really know what this means, but you need this to go with this. And then we decided to do the Paul Mitchell Dye Smart. I believe she says this is like, it's like a rinse, I think. I don't know, you guys, don't quote me, but we got 5N. So we're gonna try to bring out the more neutral in my hair because a lot of my hair is very warm right now with like a lot of the old balayage I used to have. So yeah, if you guys are curious, this is the one that she chose for me, and we're going to be doing this tomorrow, so stay tuned for that vlog. Hey guys, so I am hanging out up front now. I've been in the back all day. Look at our candy stash. Look at Scarlett hid our candy. It's not really a good hiding spot, but now we're gonna head over to see Alana in the retail store. All right, you guys, here's a new addition to Alana's retail store front. These beautiful plants. Do you know what these are, Alana?
Fake.
They are?
One of them is
no,
fake.
they're not. This one's real.
No, is that real?
This is real.
Oh my god, I thought they were fake.
Wait, there's dot stickers on them.
Yeah, so
wait,
were
where is this from? I need these stickers for our fridge label system. Anyway, so yeah, this is fun.
I mean,
Ryan, did you do this? Ryan, were you the artist of these plants?
These were a part of an event that we partnered with. It was Vice and Bud Light on Saturday. And they let us keep all the plants after.
That's cool.
Okay. All right, Alana.
We thought we don't have any natural.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Put them in front of the fake windows.
I don't know if that's how photosynthesis is naturally recreated.
Painting myself into a corner.
All right, Alana, what are you doing over here?
I am sizing and sorting all of our back stock for our rec hoodies that we officially got in. That are now available for purchase for the first time ever, and it's pretty sweet. It says rec on the front, and it's also the raised lettering.
Ooh, what's on the back?
On the back. Oh, well, we got some coordinates there.
Hey.
And also established 2015, which is good because I've been telling people 5 years. It's coming up on 5 years, so.
Yeah, so if you guys want your rec hoodies, be the first to come and grab these gray ones.
Out of the packaging.
Freshy fresh.
Fresh.
Come see Alana.
Custom barcodes that I've generated, that I've learned how to make.
Beautiful
so.
necklace.
Yeah,
Barcode
right?
necklace.
That's how I roll. I live my occupation.
All right, another question. Are you ready for grand opening?
Sure. No, I am ready for grand opening because all of the preparation and the nuts and bolts that I was able to put together prior to our load-in, what seems like many moons ago now.
I
But
know.
really like a week and a half ago.
I know,
right?
it's crazy.
It's insane. Everything I was able to do there and prep for that, I made sure I could do it to the extent that the last thing necessary, the last little piece, was to be physically in space. So I feel pretty good.
Good.
As long as I get more fixtures, I can take more people in.
It's coming in.
60-day rotation. So fear not, everyone will have the opportunity to be in the store.
Yes, and if you guys don't know and you don't watch any of my other videos, everything that we sell, besides our rec merch and some sponsored stuff, it's pretty much on consignment, and these are just product and merchandise of our members. So yeah, you can't find this stuff really anywhere else unless it's online. So these were like really awesome exclusive pieces. I know, Alexander Charles is doing really well. Yeah, I actually want to buy one. The yellow one sold out already. This one right here. Wait. All right, guys, this wall is pretty special. We have some little, what do we call these? Like news. Oh yeah, it's a plaque of newspaper articles that Rec has been in.
Founders.
And some Blanco. All right, we have some more Rec stuff here. And then this is super cool little DJ table that Alana is gonna get behind. Wicka, wicka. Bless you. I mean, just live your life. All right, so Will came back from IKEA. Will hooked it up with all the greenery. What's up, Big Dan? What's up?
I'm trying to be like you, girl.
Hey.
Take it to the top.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, what's this for? Okay, Will.
Carafe, you know, I gotta treat my people right in the green room. You know, when the talent come through, they said I need to set a
Okay. We got some plates back there, some bowls coming in. Trash cans being ordered. You know.
I gotta take my bowl home.
Some
Look,
cutlery.
I'm gonna give y'all, you know what I mean? We be hustling out here. We ain't had no bowls here for a week. Had to bring this bowl from my
You
crib.
brought one bowl.
But now we got bowls. Yeah, I'm taking my bowl back. Yeah. Be like that sometimes.
All right, come on, give us an IKEA haul. Let's see. We got, wow, what is this? We have a Sarah Fager. What is this? Oh, this is the lid. Oh, I'm like, what is this? So this is a lid to this, I think. What else is this? You guys, I don't know what this is. Another one of these. We got some cups, I think. Yep, some cups. We got some of these. Got a little pitcher. That's cute. We have these little baskets. I honestly don't know where this shit's gonna go, but oh, he's over there eating BurgerFi, and he didn't get any for anyone else. The scraps. He hands over the scraps. Okay. Oh, there's a paper towel holder. That's what I asked Will for.
I got you.
Yes.
Yeah, paper towel holder. I'll tell you something. It's made of titanium, stainless titanium, just for you. Now you may ask, why would you make a paper towel holder out of titanium, right?
Yeah.
I was wondering
The
that.
question you should be asking is why not? That's the question, right?
That's true.
Super sleek, super expensive, super cool.
That was like
Just for you,
$1.79.
right? Now, it was. But it'll last forever.
It'll last forever.
That's Big Dan
Okay.
certified right there. It's all Big
right.
Dan certified. I should start doing like product shots.
Yeah,
and stuff.
yo.
Reviews.
People love IKEA hauls. Okay, that's what I'm giving
Oh,
them.
that's a thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
IKEA haul. Hello.
Definitely home.
Okay, Will's stacking the plates.
So, like a little similar something.
Will's about to break the plates.
Don't tell nobody that.
All right, closing crew. We got, well, Bren wasn't scheduled to close. Chris. I think we did a great job. It was just the three of us. This is our hallway.
I want to sleep.
I'm about to trip and die up in here. Oh, it's wet. Gross. All right, Bren, which way do we have to go?